It's a wonderful Reuge musical automaton pocket watch. It's a large pocket watch, and this one is solid sterling silver as well. I'm going to advance the time so you can hear it work and play. So you can see the man raises his arm with the falcon. The horse dips down to drink from the pool. The woman pumps the fountain, and you can see there's simulated water that flows into the pool. It's really a nice watch. Keeps perfect time. And then after the time has passed, the alarm stops. Now what's also nice about this, it comes with the original Reuge style winding key. You can also, by pressing this button right here, you can play the music and the automation on demand. It's really tough to do with just two hands. Music plays at the proper tempo, sounds good, and everything works well. Wonderful watch, in excellent condition, and it comes with box and the original winding key.